Hey guys, I'm here in the Lakeside Viridian community in Arlington, Texas. This is David Weekly Homes in the Marvel floor plan. The Marvel floor plan starts at about $600,000 base. It does have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It can be expanded up to 5 bedrooms. Passed by the study, that was the powder. Walking in here into this open kitchen. And just next to the kitchen, we have the dining room, which does have a small dining table right under it. Looks like 36 by 60. And that flows into the living room with 12-foot tall ceilings and this large glass sliding door, which happens to be about a $13,000 option. And this is overlooking a lake. Here's another view of the kitchen. This is upgraded with the cabinets going to the ceiling. And here's another view of the living room. This hallway behind the living room goes into the master bedroom. Master bedroom does have a tall ceiling with a wood beam at the top right there. And it's also featuring an upgraded chandelier, which I believe is about $1,000. It does have wall sconces as well. Going through here, we get to the master bathroom. And we see upgraded countertops, upgraded cabinets, upgraded super shower here. Upgraded tile all the way to the ceiling. And here is the master bedroom closet. Within the bathroom is a toilet as well. This bedroom on the first floor has a view over the lake. Here's a rear view of the house. It does have a 0 lot line, so one side of the house serves as the wall for your neighbor. Now we're going up the stairs, which has laminate flooring rather than carpet. Also has upgraded railing as well. And this opens into the loft. This floor plan was upgraded with an additional loft space in the back, which expands it to 2,800 square feet. Here is one bathroom. Here is one of the bedrooms. And of course, all the features that David Weekly puts into their homes. Here is another bedroom. At 2,500 square feet, the floor plan would stop right here, but since this has the expansion, you have this stairs that goes up a couple steps into this loft gaming area. The balcony adds another $17,000 and the sliding door adds another $13,000 to $15,000. But this balcony at the second floor overlooks the lake. Probably a good option here. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.